Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automate with MK. So in this video we are going to discuss how to install UiPath Studio. So with this link, which I already discussed in previous video, it will help us to download the UiPath Studio. So I will add this URL in the description as well. So as we are a new person, we just need to sign up. Okay, click next. Okay, give the cloud organization name. I'm just giving RPM. So click create organization. So please wait for some time. It will loading. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is the UiPath automation cloud. So we are okay with this. So here we can see that UiPath apps. So here we can see Studio, Agents, Maestro, which is AI. Okay. So we have that orchestrator. Okay. So we have. So this is the orchestrator, and we have that studio, studio. So this is the browser studio. Okay. Here we have that both like desktop and browser application for studio. So we are now down. Okay, this is the free. This is the community edition which we need to download. Click download. So it will download. Just open this folder location. So it is like loading. Click yes. Okay, here click studio. Okay, click I accept license agreement and click install. So it will take some time. Please wait. Finally, installation is completed. So you can just close this. Okay. You can just open. So you can start your journey by clicking, or else you can close it. So this is the installation of Studio, and we have Orchestrator. Just open it. Okay, we have that UiPath assistant as well. So we are all good with the installation. Okay, in the next videos we will go through the basic projects and how you to connect Studio, Orchestrator, Assistant. So all we will discuss in the next videos. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on my videos. Thank you once again. Bye.